everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Be it festivals or special occasions, we always celebrate with some nice homemade sweet. Today I'm going to share a very simple South Indian sweet that you can prepare in just about 30 minutes. This is coconut Therattipal. It looks more like an halwa and it's very easy to make. So let's get started and check it out.
For this recipe, I have roasted 2 tablespoons of moong dal into a nice golden brown color and I've kept it in a bowl. Transfer this to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. I have already prepared this powder and I've kept it ready. To the mixer jar, add 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. Next, add 2 tablespoons of freshly roasted and ground moong dal powder, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 cup of jaggery powder. This is again a 250 ml cup measurement. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt and start grinding it all without adding any water. You can mix it with a spoon and grind it. Now add about half cup of water and grind it to a nice smooth paste. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add some cashew nuts and fry them. Next, add a few coconut bits. Fry them along with the cashew nuts. The crunchiness from the coconut will enhance the taste of the Thirattupal. Once the cashew nuts and the coconut pieces are roasted well, add a few raisins and roast them till they're all plumped up. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. To the same pan, add a quarter cup of ghee and add the ground coconut jaggery mixture. Keeping the flame on low, start mixing it with the ghee. The mixture has to be cooked in the ghee. So as you can see, the mixture is gradually thickening and it's absorbing all that ghee. After 5 minutes, it has become very soft and nice and all that excess moisture has evaporated. The ghee and coconut mixture has come together very nicely. At this stage, you can add the roasted cashew nuts, coconut pieces and the roasted raisins. I'm also adding the remaining ghee. This will be roughly about 1 tablespoon. If you don't mind adding a little more ghee, you can just add a little extra and mix it all in till it's all well combined. So there you go, here is this yummy and delicious Thengai Therattipal that is ready to be served nice and hot. It makes for a wonderful sweet dish that you can enjoy anytime. That's perfect for any celebrations.
I can't wait to try this South Indian delicacy, this coconut Therattipal. You know, the consistency more like this nice moong dal halwa style, but oh, wow, just see how soft it is with all that ghee oozing out. Well, it's fabulous. In fact, I have no words to describe because it's so delicious, so good. It's just heavenly. I'll probably finish all of it before I could even talk because it's that good. I really enjoyed that sweet, and as you can see from the video, you can make it in just about 30 minutes once you've prepped all the ingredients, and I'll give you a couple of links to the other sweet recipes. Do check them out, but definitely try this special South Indian delicacy and let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.